Hey, so I am back with a review. It's early. I had my coffee. I hadn't had any tea. Whatever. So I was looking at different products to try to see how my hair will respond to them. I have ones that I've used when I first went natural, and some of them were fine. Like I had staple products, but this time I really wanted to get into my curl pattern and really wear my hair in this natural state, because when my hair got longer, I did straighten it a lot. I straightened it a lot because it was so long, and I like to just put it up in a bun, and it was just easier to maintain versus all of the coils. So what happened? Because when my hair was growing out, I would always put a headband on it and like scrunch it up. And that was just like all I did. And this time I really want to experiment with products and see what works so I can do some more styles. Now this is my hair. Last night I just kind of played with it and just kind of pulled the cords out because it was kind of curly, and I just kind of been wearing it like this for a few days. So nevertheless, I bought so many hair products from Shea Moisture, and I actually got them from TJ Maxx. And I liked some of them. I'm going to do a review on those. I'm going to do a review on all of them. I think they have an awesome line. But I was scrolling through and I saw this thing called Curl Kit. And I'm still reading a lot on it, but you just get like a kit each month of products to try. And you know, that's what we're always doing, is spending money trying stuff. And with this kit, you get like full-size items. So I went ahead and joined. The subscription is $20 a month. It's like $20 to sign up. And I got my first curl kit earlier this week. And I think I may have bought it like 2 weeks ago. So this is the curl kit. And it comes with some really cute packaging. However, I think that something leaked out of mine, which is like the box looks like that. But they tell you when to ship it and all that good stuff. So it comes in like this box. Really good packaging. And then I got like full size stuff. As you can tell, I've been using this. This is the coconut milk leave-in repair cream curl repair leave-in coconut milk, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, all of it smells great. And then I got that, and this is like a full-size bottle. How many ounces is this? I don't know, but it's the full size bottle. Then you get the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. You get that. And it's a full size bottle. Smells the same. You also get the coconut milk oil, like some essential oils. Essential 7 treatment oil, repair oil for moisture and protection. No sulfates, no minerals, no petroleum, no silicone. And so it has sunflower, seed oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond, coconut oil, shea oil, safflower oil, rosemary, coconut, and something else. And so yeah, it's really good. I've used this too. And then there's the Shine and Hold Control Glue. It's kind of like what you put on at the end. And then there's a Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. As you can tell, I've been using it. So okay, so I love this product. I love the smell of it. I love the way it feels going on my hair. It's just like butter. It's like butter. And so with this collection, there's like no shampoo or pre-poo or conditioner. This is kind of like an after you've washed your hair type groove. So I use, and I'm gonna do a review on this, DevaCurl pre-poo and conditioner when I'm in the shower. And I also use like tea tree conditioner because I love the way tea tree feels in my hair, and then the way it stimulates my scalp, and so I'm really into that now. So anyway, so what I do on freshly washed hair, I'll come out and I'll put the oil on, and then I will put on the hair milk, and then I will put on some repair cream. And I kind of let each product settle before I put on the next product, because I've done this a few times and I know that it gets kind of like white and it doesn't like settle in quite yet. So, and then the foam, this is awesome. I have several foams, and this is by far the best foam. This is great stuff. And then there's the Shine and Hold Control Glue. Now, what I will say about this that I'm not too a fan of is that it gives you the crunchiness when it dries. But it holds your curls like in place. And the consistency of it is kind of like glue. It really is kind of like glue. All of it smells the same. Smells great. I'm just gonna put this on here because I have to wash my hair. And for that, I'm not a fan of it. But I like the finished look. I don't like the finished feel. So yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hair today, and I'm gonna use these products. And then I'm gonna come back and show you what my hair looks like when I've done that. Because I'm on this whole hair growth thing. So I've tried some different things. In my last video, I talked about vitamins. And I've used these vitamins for a while, and I really like these vitamins. Uh-oh. Okay. And so I use these vitamins, VitaFuse, hair, skin, and nail vitamins, and they're gummies. And they're really good. You take 3 of them a day. I hadn't had mine today, so I'm gonna take them. And one thing about these, you have to chew them really well. They're not hard like the fiber gummies, but you definitely have to chew them. Anywho, and also reading on what you're putting in your body helps, you know, your hair grow, and drinking water, of course. I took it even a step further, and you know, talked about teas, and I saw the tea rinse that some people did some reviews on, and I also just talked about the tea. I love to drink tea, so I purchased this Pretty. And this is, if it does nothing else, this tastes amazing. I love it. I love peppermint. I can taste the peppermint. I can taste the lavender. I mean, it's great. So it comes 30 bags. It's a 45 days supply. They said see results in 45 days, but it's 30 bags. And little tea bag. And I do like 8-ounce cup, and I put some honey in it for taste. But this is really good. So I'm also in the process of doing a review on this, and I think I've been drinking it probably like 2 weeks now. But I'll see what the end result is. But if it does nothing else, I will continue to buy it because it was it tastes great. And this is, I got it off eBay, and it was like, I think with shipping and everything, it was like 18 bucks for this tea. I gotta think about it, it's kind of pricey, but depending on what it does, if it does what it says it does, then it's worth the price. It's not too expensive. So, those are the things I'm doing. I have my hair vitamins, I have my hair tea, and I'm just kind of experimenting with various products. I found something that I absolutely love, and that is this line. It's great. So I'm going to wash my hair and style my hair, and I'll be back.